Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly indispensable accessory for musicians and audio enthusiasts, the UpBright USB cable. This isn't just any ordinary cable. It's specifically designed to be the perfect companion for your Digitech VLHM Vocalist Live Harmony, Multi-Effects Guitar Effects Pedal, and your TC Helicon Play Acoustic Vocal Effects Processor. For anyone who relies on these powerful units for their performances or studio work, a reliable connection is paramount. The UpBright USB cable steps up to the plate, offering both data transfer and charging capabilities. Imagine being able to power up your Digitech VLHM or TC Helicon Play Acoustic directly from your laptop or PC, while simultaneously managing your presets, updating firmware, or transferring crucial data. This dual functionality is a game changer, streamlining your setup and reducing cable clutter. The cable features a standard USB Type-A connector, ensuring broad compatibility with most laptops and PCs. This means you can easily integrate your effects processors into your digital workflow without needing specialized adapters or multiple cables. The UpBright brand is known for producing dependable power and data solutions, and this USB cable lives up to that reputation. It's built to provide a stable and consistent connection, which is absolutely critical when you're in the middle of a performance or a recording session. No one wants unexpected power drops or data interruptions when their vocal or guitar effects are on the line. Think about the convenience this brings. Whether you're on stage, in the studio, or just practicing at home, having a single, robust cable that handles both power and data for your Digitech VLHM and TC Helicon Play Acoustic makes life so much easier. It eliminates the need to carry separate power adapters for charging and another cable for data syncing. This cable is designed to keep your valuable gear running smoothly and connected efficiently. It's a small investment that makes a huge difference in the reliability and functionality of your high-end effects processors. If you own either of these fantastic devices, the UpBright USB cable is an absolute must-have to ensure they're always powered, updated, and ready to perform.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.